Welcome. In this demonstration video, we're going to look at how Browser Redirector can allow users to specify which browser is the default within their environment. In our previous videos, we have shown how Browser Redirector allows administrators to ensure specific web pages appear in a particular browser. In this video, I will demonstrate how we can configure Browser Redirector to allow users to select their own default browser. First, we need to configure Web Data Control to use Browser Redirector through Group Policy. You will need a valid Web Data Control license. I have one already pre-configured in this environment. You will also need to enable the policy to run Browser Redirector through the notification service. As we are using Windows 10 and Microsoft Edge, we will need to enable the Browser Redirector UWP application. Next, we need to set Browser Redirector as the default browser in our environment. Then, we need to specify the default browser for web pages where no browser has been selected. In this example, we will use Internet Explorer. Finally, to allow users to override the administrator-defined default browser and set their preferred browser, we need to enable the user-defined default browsers policy. Although we're allowing users to select their preferred browser, we can still force specific URLs to open in a particular browser. To show this, I'm going to force the Avonite homepage to always be redirected to Microsoft Edge. Now that the configuration is set up, I will log on as my test user so we can see this in action. If we start by clicking the Microsoft URL, we will see that the URL opens within Internet Explorer. This is because Internet Explorer was configured to be the default browser by the administrator. However, if we go to Settings and set Google Chrome as the default browser, Browser Redirector will now redirect URLs to Chrome instead of Internet Explorer. If we click the Microsoft URL again, we will see the web page is now open in Chrome instead of Internet Explorer. Finally, we can see how Browser Redirector still redirects defined URLs into our particular browser. If we click the Avonite URL, the web page is redirected to Microsoft Edge as defined previously within our configuration. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration video. You can find out more information by visiting the Avonite website or contacting us via email or telephone.